Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to my How to Kill a Kit with Style kit reveal. Yes, it's late. I still am slowly finishing up my March one. So I will give you a kit reveal of that later when it's actually done. But I wanted to show off my kit for April. The theme is florals this month. So I decided I wanted to grab a kit I've had from Brianna Lepper. She put this together and I'm super excited to play with it. And when I was told florals is kind of what I thought of because it's very springy. It's like a whole class actually. So I'm actually going to do the class. So these are the instructions for the class. So this is what it all comes with. It came with some brave and bold puffy hexagons. It came with these Felicity Jane titles. Some beautiful sequins, a pink fresh ink, a couple kinds of oh, these are gems, some gems. These are to make some shaker pockets. You got a paintbrush and a blending brush. We've got some tangled twine or some embroidery floss. Pink fresh ephemera from Happy Heart, so very homey floral. So that's why I thought this collection. A lovely stencil from Pink Fresh, frames from Pink Fresh, Happy Heart, and the puffy stickers from Happy Heart. And then we've got some paper. So she gave us some cardstock, some beautiful cardstock. Let's see, we got marshmallow. I got some acetate. I've got some just other plain white cardstock. I've got some vellum. So I'm excited. It's one of those things that's on my, not bucket list, but like my to-do list that I want to get used. And so, yeah. So a lot of Happy Heart. I think it's all Happy Heart papers. So Pink Fresh, Happy Heart, because here's Small Joys, which is floral. A floral pattern. This one, and it's Beautiful Moments with those beautiful butterflies. Keep Growing. This beautiful ombre stripe, Reasons to Smile, and that's also the cut apart. Happy Days with this beautiful faux stitching and mixed media. And then this fun stripe with a floral and circles on the other side, and then it's called Happy Heart. So that is why, that's what made me think, I thought of this right away because it's springy, floral, and floral is totally our theme. So I have a feeling I will have flowers pretty much on every layout. I have a feeling. But I'm gonna just work on the class. So that is my plan. And so you won't see process videos for this. This is just gonna be fun for me. And so I'm just gonna try and kill this kit or class. And that is my goal this month. So yes, that is what I have. And you know what? I have tons of floral ephemera that do not go with this, that are just hanging around, that I might add in, or if I have leftovers I might use. So you might even see me add in more. We'll see. Ooh, I kind of want to add in those to my kit. But yeah, like I have this stuff. I have so much of my like to do whatever in my not used up buckets that I need to use. So that's my kit. I'm excited to have fun with that. And yeah, stay tuned. You'll see, yeah, like I said, you probably won't see a lot of process videos because like I said, it's a paid class. So I'm not going to give away any information or anything like that. But I do want to use this kit up in this class up and use it. So you'll see an end result, hopefully by the end of April instead of stretching into the next month like last month. But I will show you, you'll have a few more process videos coming, or at least some semi-process videos from my March kit yet. Like I said, I have a couple of pages that are like partially done. So you'll still have some of those. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Make sure you check out everybody else who is playing along with How to Kill a Kit with Style, and we'll see you next time.